Hey there, and welcome to After Work. My name is Valentine, and in this channel we talk about various data science topics that are important when you're starting out your data science career. If such topics interest you, be sure to subscribe to this channel. So today we're going to be talking about becoming a data scientist within the entertainment industry, and this might involve working for possibly a platform that a company that owns a platform that serves people with content, entertainment content, whether it could be films, it could be games, it could be music, all of that, and it could be even media or media houses. You might work for become a data scientist on the entertainment side of their company. And the kinds of projects that we're going to go through will entail basically all of that. Right, so let's get started. So if you decide to become a data scientist, you're most likely going to be working a lot with customer data. And this would help the organization that you have, you'll be working with, better understand their users. It might involve doing a lot of customer segmentation work where you would identify patterns within a data set naturally that would help inform the business. Possibly it could be that you might be able to identify those users who normally are much more active on the platform. It could be maybe you're working on a say something like if it's a video game company that you're working on, identifying the users who tend to log in most and try to understand why do they log in. Is it because they have something to track within the game itself, and therefore it ensures that they are always thinking about that, and trying to also understand those key learnings and applying that to those particular customers who are not doing the same, by possibly starting off with promotions, or trying to even undertake some other study to be able to understand what exactly about them, what exactly is missing for them within the game, that would eventually inform the development or the where the product that your users are interacting with would actually end up growing into in the near future. So that's one bit in terms of customer segmentation. Also, there's forecasting, understanding possibly sales for particular products, or even films or movies, or even videos. So being able to perform forecasting techniques, whether it be time series analysis and providing recommendations on that, those are kinds of projects that you might also end up undertaking. The other bit might be also in terms of content recommendations, so building recommendation systems that would give the stakeholders an idea of what users are much more likely to watch than what they are not likely to watch. And that would inform also, say, some product development. If you're working for a film or movie platform, if users tend to like a lot in terms of a certain kind of movie, maybe science fiction acted by so and so, then the key insight would be that would be the key insight, and that would inform how to include, whether you can in the future involve more of those persons that people like to watch on your platform. There's also a bit about also about working on predictive analysis project, where you might want to predict some sort of customer behavior on whether they're going to purchase a particular product or not. It could be a virtual product based on the data that you've collected about the customers, and if you do that, if you understand that these particular customers are much more likely to purchase ABCD, then eventually you might end up undertaking some campaigns to promoting the product to those particular users. Another thing would be promotion of content, or personalization of content. if users tend to listen to this song, and it's a platform where users use, if you're working for a company where users tend to listen songs to, then you can be able to personalize the content by also still building recommendation engines that would allow for users to spend more time within your platform, so that possibly you could serve them with more ads, or you could sell more of such kinds of products that you have within the platform. So when it comes to working within the entertainment industry, data science is quite critical, and it's usually almost at the core. It's actually at the core of the business, and it helps inform the direction that a particular platform or a particular product or the business in general would head towards. All right, hopefully that or those particular videos, those particular projects that we've mentioned have given you a good idea of what you might undertake if you're to become a data scientist within the entertainment industry. And so if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up so that other persons who would be interested in watching such can get recommended by YouTube. If you have also other ideas on what you think persons within this industry in terms of data scientists might work on, be sure to drop that in the comment section. It might help others a lot. May also even inspire a future video that we might also talk about that particular topic. And if you'd want to be informed when we post such future videos, be sure to subscribe, and see you in the next video.